In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit Adobe Acrobat. This walkthrough is focused on Windows, and I'll show you clear, reliable ways to close the app, whether it's behaving normally or acting stubborn in the background. Let's start with the simplest approach. Closing the window itself. Look to the top right corner of the Acrobat window and click the X button. Before you do, check that every PDF tab inside Acrobat is closed. If any document has unsaved changes, Acrobat will prompt you to save or discard them. Taking a moment to close those tabs ensures the program can shut down cleanly, and once the window disappears, Acrobat should be fully closed. If you prefer menus, or the X button isn't responding as expected, use the built-in exit command. Inside Acrobat, go to the File menu and choose Exit. This tells Acrobat to wrap up any open tasks and close out gracefully. It's a good option when you have multiple documents open because it closes the entire application in one go. Sometimes Acrobat keeps running in the background even after the main window is gone. If you notice that, head to the System tray, which is the group of small icons near the clock on your taskbar. Click the up arrow to reveal hidden icons. Find the Adobe Acrobat icon, right-click it, and choose Exit. This is a quick way to stop background activity and make sure the app truly shuts down. After doing this, you shouldn't see Acrobat listed among your active icons anymore. If Acrobat is frozen and neither the X button nor the menu is responding, it's time to force quit. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S keys to open Task Manager. In the list of running apps and processes, look for Adobe Acrobat or acrobat.exe. Select it, then click End Task. Use this only when normal closing methods fail, because force quitting will immediately stop the app and you may lose any unsaved changes. It's a last resort, but it's effective for a frozen window or an unresponsive process. To recap, try closing the window first, then use File and Exit for a clean shutdown. Check the System tray if Acrobat lingers in the background, and only use Task Manager's End Task when the app is truly stuck. With these methods, you'll be able to quit Adobe Acrobat quickly and confidently every time. If this was helpful, follow along for more straightforward tutorials just like this.